Are we now curtailing my right to speak, Mr. President?
Madam Chair,
We are
can
not
I answer
able to
that?
ask questions as to why we are amending the rules.
And I'm not curtailing your right to speak, Senator Pangilinan.
Senator Pangilinan already apologized to Senator Padilla, then now you're shouting at us. No? No, the record will show, nakatape naman eh. Ang taas-taas ng boses nyo eh.
This was transmitted to the Committee on Rules. Including the Committee on Rules, shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report. There's no report, Mr. President. So we're violating our own rules.
Already, because Madam Chair, we're bringing it back to plenary. So natural po, walang discussion sa Committee on Rules. Kasi wala naman po sa rules natin na kailangan i-discuss sa Committee on Rules.
Na-refer po ito sa Committee on Rules. And there was no discussion. Action was taken actually by this body.
Then Madam Chair, if there's an objection, may I move that we divide the House?
It's a objection.
Point of order, Madam President.
On that issue, not on the issue of whether or not the rule is good. Your issue is whether or not it's proper to take it up on the floor. The position of the majority is that there's no rule being violated. So we will vote. The presiding officer has already ruled.
I suggest that we constitute the Committee on Rules and discuss it there. How do I know this? Ako minority leader eh. Hindi ako member ng rules. Ex officio eh. Tumawag ba? Hindi. Ano to? Binabraso?
Point of order, Madam Chairman.
Atin, bagong motion po siya. Kung kaya't nag-a-apply po ang Rule Section 136 na kailangan bigyan ng isang araw pa pagkatapos ito i-move para talakayin. And tama si Senator Pangilinan, sa Lunes pa po yun, Madam
President, without giving meaning to anything, ito pong mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong legal background dito. Sino po magsasabi na bagong motion?
Point of order. Ad hominem.
Sinasabi ko lamang po, ang sinasabi ko lang, kanina ko po sinasabi.
Hindi po tama yun.
Section
Sasabihin yung kasama
136.
niya
Pwede po
ay
ba-
walang
Session is
kinalaman,
suspended.
walang alam sa batas. Why are they, the majority, in a hurry? They're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend. Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why? Para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant.
Whether we should take it up. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, mababanggit ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate.
Dito na nagsitayo ang mga taga-minorya at sabay-sabay na umalis sa plenaryo. Iniwan nilang mag-isa si Minority Leader Senator Vicente Soto III na nag-request pa ng quorum call. Sabay hirit na mag-adjourn na ang sesyon.
A funny situation, Madam President, when they readily and willingly walk out.
Takes precedence.
Hindi po yung covered ng rule natin, Madam President.
I'm not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday.
And we will adjourn session.
Pinupulo na tayo eh. Pinagpipilitan nila, naisip-isip na siguro nila dahil lumabas sa media na ilalabas na warrant of arrest. O, para makaboto yung mga yun na makukulong, kung sino man yun, para makaboto sila o nakakulong man sila.
Sir, ano ba dapat yung rules? Ano dapat, Sir Mix, ano yung dapat na rule natin na, ano dapat yung rules, sir?
No, this is a travesty of Senate rules. We'll not allow it.
Sir, ano yung dapat na gagawin? Di ba dapat ko-constitute muna na yung Committee on Rules?
Yes, wala pa committee no, wala pa nga majority leader.
Yes, sir. So bilang dating majority
We
leader,
will not be part of this. It's a travesty of our rules, of the Senate rules. Hindi kami papayag sa mga ganitong kalokohan. Niloloko tayo.
Sila pwedeng magbotohan.
Niloloko tayo.
Sila pwedeng magpasa ng motion ngayon, sir.
sir, hindi sila pwede magbotohan. Sir, paano ba yung...
Violation of the rules.
Because they are disobeying our rules.
Si Sen JV.